We're going to be looking at Ian Fleming's James Bond in Moonraker. The 238s roared simultaneously. The walls of the underground room took the crash of sound and battered it to and fro between them until there was silence. James Bond watched the smoke being sucked from each end of the room towards the central Ventexia fan. The memory in his right hand of how he had drawn and fired with one sweep from the left made him confident. He broke the chamber sideways out of the Colt Detective Special and waited, his gun pointing at the floor, while the instructor walked the 20 yards towards him through the half-light of the gallery. Bond saw that the instructor was grinning. "I don't believe it," he said. "I got you that time." The instructor came up with him. "I'm in hospital, but you're dead, sir," he said. In one hand he held the silhouette target of the upper body of a man. In the other a Polaroid film, postcard size. He handed this to Bond, and they turned to a table behind them, on which there was a green shaded desk light and a large magnifying glass. Simultaneously. And battered it to and fro between them. Fired with one sweep from the left. He broke the chamber sideways. Through the half-light of the gallery. Gallery. He held the silhouette target. In the other a Polaroid film. Magnifying glass. I'll see you soon, and in the meantime watch as many videos as you can, and subscribe. Bye bye.